Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your lower body in the golf swing. First, let's talk about your setup. Begin by standing with your feet about shoulder width apart, ensuring your weight feels balanced between both feet. Gently flex your knees, creating an athletic stance. This slight bend engages your leg muscles, making them ready to generate power and maintain stability throughout your entire swing. A solid foundation is key for everything that follows. Next, during the backswing, focus on a controlled weight shift. You should feel about 60% of your pressure move to your trail foot. Simultaneously, rotate your hips, ideally no more than 45 degrees, while keeping your spine angle consistent. This creates a powerful coil, like winding a spring, without excessive lateral sway. The goal is to build tension, not just move your body sideways. Now for the downswing, where the real power is unleashed. Start by shifting your pressure to your lead foot, feeling the ground beneath you. As you do this, aggressively rotate your hips, aiming for them to be 30 to 40 degrees open to the target at impact. This rotational force, combined with pushing powerfully into the ground with your lead leg, creates immense clubhead speed. Think of it as a chain reaction, starting from the ground up. Finally, let's discuss impact and the follow-through. At impact, nearly all your weight, about 90%, should be firmly on your lead leg. Continue rotating your hips until your belt buckle points directly at the target. This full rotation allows for maximum energy transfer. After striking the ball, hold your finish in a balanced position until the ball lands. This demonstrates a complete and efficient lower body action, ensuring consistent and powerful shots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.